Hey guys, this is Chezzy and you're back here in my channel where the reviews are guaranteed honest and not hype or sales driven. In today's video, we will be checking out the latest craze from BLK Cosmetics, the BLK Airy Matte Tints. So these are the latest additions to BLK Cosmetics' Airy Matte collection, and ilang linggo na rin silang out in the market. We've been hearing a lot of awesome feedback about the products, and finally today na-try out din natin sila for the first time, so I'll be sharing with you guys my experience with them. A bit of information about the product. So yung formula nito promises to be long-wearing and highly pigmented, but at the same time, it is light as a feather and very comfortable to wear on the lips. So masarap siyang gamitin. You can wear it all day long and the color will stay on. And for packaging appreciation, I'm gonna give you a close-up now of the products. So for reference, I also have here the Airy Matte Cushion Foundation. So they belong in the same collection. Super happy ako before nung nakuha ko yung cushion na to for the first time kasi ang ganda ng packaging niya. Like, it's matte finish and the color is nude. So, ang premium niya tingnan. So, I was really happy when they put out the Airy Matte Tints and yung packaging nila is pinattern nila dun sa cushion. And for the price point, these are being sold for 379 pesos a piece. So honestly, at first glance, parang feeling ko parang mahal siya sa 379 kasi I feel like konti lang yung laman nitong product. But we will find out later on kung kumusta naman yung product quality niya and yung wear nung lipstick, kung tatagal ba siya. So we will know if justified naman siya sa 379 pesos, sulit ba siya. So without much further ado, let's check out the swatches. So the first thing I want to say about the product is that sobrang ganda ng formula niya. Like, no joke ito guys. I think so far sa lahat ng lip products ng BLK Cosmetics na nasubukan ko, ito yung pinakagusto ko yung formula because they are not kidding when they say it is lightweight and comfortable to wear. So kapag ina-apply mo pa lang yung product, mafe-feel mo kaagad na it's very fluffy and it feels luxurious on the lips. So ang ganda ng quality niya kasi comfortable siya. It dries out to a very nice matte finish. Pero yung pagka-matte niya guys, hindi siya nakaka-dry ng lips. So ang ganda talaga. And then the other thing about the product that I think deserves a lot of good praises is yung quality ng applicator na ginamit nila. Kasi sobrang lambot ng material niya, as in sobrang velvety ng texture niya. Tapos yung angle niya is saktong-sakto lang. So as you can see, may hole din siya sa gitna para mas marami yung makuhang produkto. Literally guys, isang dip lang ng produkto, nag-pay off kaagad yung color niya and fully covered kaagad yung lips. So kitang-kita mo yung pagka-pigmented or yung pigments of product, ang ganda ng color, ang ganda ng payoff niya. The smallest detail in the product packaging can make a world of difference doon sa magiging experience ng user doon sa produkto. In terms of the shades naman guys, so actually, nagustuhan ko lahat ng shades, walang tapon. As in, this is actually the first time after I have tried so many products that I will tell you guys to buy the product in all of the shades. Kasi even the red ones are actually the perfect shades of red that you can wear even on an everyday basis. So normally kapag nagta-try out ako ng mga lip products, ang kinukuha ko lang lagi is yung mga neutral na shades kasi yun yung bumabagay talaga sa akin. Whatever look I go for the day or whether it's my go-to product or whatever outfit I wear. Pero for this particular product range ng BLK Airy Matte Tint, as in walang tapon sa mga shades nila guys. So I am taking back what I said earlier about the products being too expensive at 379 pesos. After ko siyang matry out and makita yung quality, and then kanina tinry ko rin siyang dampi-dampian ng tissue, hindi siya naaalis, so long wearing siya pero comfortable siya. I feel like sobrang worth ito sa 379 pesos. Any of the shades, all of the shades actually. And yon, I recommend buying this product if you're really curious about it. Don't even, don't second guess it. Just add to cart and check it out. So out of all the shades na tinry ko for today, if you are wondering which ones to buy first and you are undecided kung anong shade yung pipiliin ninyo, ang personal pick ko is itong Siren. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. So I specifically chose this kasi yung shade na to is not similar to most other shades that I have of other lipstick. Parang I feel like it's unique. Yung pagka parang rusty orange niya or something. So I love this shade so much. And I also like, my number 2 pick is yung Lover. Kasi yung red na to is, hindi siya yung red na mahirap bagayan. So perfect to for any skin tone. Kaya morena ka or fair skinned or medium skin, ang ganda ng pagka-red niya. And it will definitely go well with any outfit. Whether for your everyday go-to look or kung pa-party kayo. So yon. If you guys are interested in buying any of the products that we featured today, I will be putting the shopping links in the description box below for easy shopping for you. And if you like my content, please do not forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, and notification buttons. That's it, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.